What's up everybody, I'm quickly interrupting ahead of this video. Welcome to the channel of course, but quickly wanted to shout out the Signal group we have, which is a group in which I share all of my trades. For example, also this maker trade that we took over the course of this week. But we also, for example, bought Bitcoin at 101,000, which hopefully it's still trading higher at this point of time, but it went to 107,000. But I also released a new trading guide in which I fully explain one of the main strategies that I use to trade. So not only will you get profitable signals, you're also able to learn how to become a profitable trader yourself. So if you want to join, that sounds interesting, links will be down in the description. For now, enjoy the video. Bye. Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, hope you're staying relatively safe in these market circumstances, where there's a lot going on, to be fair. But in this video we're going to do a full update on Solana, right? So we'll look at Solana specifically, which has had quite a week as well. Obviously with Tuesday and Wednesday getting that ETF news, which actually pushed Solana above this major support level at 164 and 160, which was the main key level we needed to break above to actually, get bullish again. But then due to some bearish pressure and due to some unrest that came into the market since yesterday, primarily between Israel and Iran, but there's multiple things going on right now in the world that are causing this unrest, this pressure. Solana broke down again, and whereas first it was able to reclaim that level with quite a lot of volume, we pushed down with the same volume, right? And we gave up that level at 164, 160, which at this point of time, like we were finding balance right here already again. So now this just seems like a bit of a fake out. A bit of a false deviation above the range. Well, yeah, a false breakout, a fake out, and that right now we are back into the range. And I would also say that that's most likely. Now, obviously, and I've said that this earlier in videos today. Like this is a fundamentals market, right? And for Solana specifically, it is very much a fundamentals market, right? And at this point of time, we mostly have these general financial markets fundamentals pushing Solana down. But I'm also, talking about the ETF a little bit more. I'm also getting, thinking about whether this ETF is actually priced in or not, right? And I think that's a good question to ask yourself, because I mean, since we've had that ETF news, Solana has dropped down to the same prices. Solana at this point of time is trading at the same prices as it was during September, August, July, June last year. It's in that same range, right? I mean, if you zoom all the way out, Solana has basically been in one fat range since, what is this? It's March, I think. Yeah, since March 2024. And yes, we broke out at some point of time right here, as you can see in November. That was great. And we rallied even more in January when Trump also launched this meme coin. But in general, we're at the same prices as then. Even though I think the fundamentals for Solana at this point of time, with the Solana ETF almost certainly coming in 2025, and then outside of that, the general fundamentals for Solana are also not bad. I mean, if you take a look at the metrics, which I tried to show you quite a lot, there we can see that the DEX trading volumes, they're certainly higher than last year, right? So we're at the same prices, but the fundamentals are better. So that's a bit of a divergence, but so that makes me think that there's at least fundamentally reasons to be bullish on Solana and to say it's undervalued. But I think the other fundamentals, the general financial markets fundamentals, weigh a little bit heavier, right? And therefore, in combination with the price action we've seen so far, I would expect that stability now around, let's keep it simple, around 145 is most likely. Right, and then the next movements are just very much based on the fundamentals. Do we see an escalation? We can drop down into 130, 125. Do we see a de-escalation? Maybe then we have a chance to break out again, which doesn't seem likely because we just had a fake out, but still it is a possibility, I'd say, looking at the fundamentals. So yeah, those are my thoughts. I think that's what you need to know regarding the situation for Solana right now. I'll definitely keep you updated on this, so keep an eye out for that. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.